Good morning, traders. Today is Wednesday, August 12th, and this is my MESU market outlook for today. As usual, let's start with the 4-hour time frame. Before we get into the analysis, remember that we have CPI coming out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time today, so I expect a significant increase in volume and volatility around the release. Now, from the 4-hour perspective, price is currently trading around 7,770, and I can see liquidity sitting on both sides of the market. For the upside, the major liquidity level remains around the previous high at 7,818. On the downside, I'm still keeping the higher time frame fair value gap around 7,682 in play. The crucial downside level for me today is 7,740. If we see a confirmed 4-hour candle close below 7,740, then I think that could open the door for a deeper continuation lower toward the fair value gap around 7,682. But until that happens, I'm not going to aggressively favor either direction, especially ahead of CPI. Now let's move into the 1-hour time frame. From the 1-hour perspective, the structure remains pretty similar to the 4-hour chart. Once again, 7,740 is the important downside level. If we get a confirmed 1-hour candle close below 7,740, then I'll be watching for continuation lower, with 7,680 to remaining my higher time frame downside target. For the upside, the major liquidity is still sitting around 7,818. Now let's move into the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute chart, I can identify another important liquidity level around 7,800. This becomes my short-term bullish trigger. If we see a confirmed 15-minute candle close above 7,800, then I think buyers could continue pushing higher toward the previous high around 7,818. But if price rejects from 7,800 and eventually loses 7,740, then I'll shift my attention toward the downside scenario. So my game plan for today is pretty simple. Above 7,800, I'm watching for continuation towards 7,818. Below 7,740, I'm watching for a deeper move towards 7,682. And most importantly, because today is CPI day, I'm not going to predict the initial reaction or chase the first move after the news. I want to let the volatility settle, wait for price to confirm a direction, and then look for my setup. That's my prediction for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to follow, subscribe, and hit the like button on the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them. This is not financial advice. And again, guys, no confirmation, no trade. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.